Hey guys, what are you doing, my cameraman?
I'm not your cameraman, I'm just holding it.
Okay, so this video ça, anyway, il a commencé je dis à finir demain. So, it's a day in the life. But quand même ça me pour régler je dis à m'amener nous avec moi. Si par contre pour mettre une vidéo together, so I mettre whatever I have to do the next day, mette it together. So, pour qu'on y a, qu'est-ce que ça me dit pour faire aujourd'hui? On va faire cheveux, on va faire cheveux, on va aller dans le mall là, on va acheter, on va aller changer. And of course doing some more shopping, a little bit more. And then I have to go to Home Goods. I have to go to Hobby Lobby, by the way. Hobby Lobby. I think we have to stop at Walmart. And yeah, we don't have much to do today. Jeudi à nous we play pour jeudi as a break day. And then at totally break day là, we still have a lot of stuff to do. So yeah. So I'm aller dans l'appartement à 9h30 là, il est à 9h25. So I have to drive like 10-15 minutes. So yeah, so guys, my minute.
Make sure you slow down. Don't wash. Don't wash.
Don't wash.
To get there.
Okay. Bye. Now it's Halle. Bye. Over this one. Good. I'm not ready. Let's go. Let me look for my bag.
Hey you.
Thank you.
I don't know. It's up to you. Okay, declare now. Sage pil gaz. Bye. See you later.
Oh, I made it. 9:47. I'm like a few minutes late. So let's go. I'm all done. Almost 2 hours later. Yeah, almost 2 hours later. And I'm gonna call Patrick. But first, I have to stop by at the Chinese store to get something. So my demandé Patrick, est-ce que met to al prendre li ou bien apprendre li wal nou ensemble? Baby? Baby, yeah. I'm done, m'a vini là. So, ou vlem still passe dans Chinese nan pour bailler là avant ou bien?
No,
Vini droit, nan okay. So, alright then, m'a vini now.
So where are you?
M'pral déplacer now.
Alright.
Alright, baby, bye. Alright guys, I'll see you in a little bit. So now I'm waiting for Patrick to come out. I think, oh, he's here. I think we're gonna go with the other car. So I'm waiting for Patrick to come in. Oh, I think he's coming. Yeah, he's coming. So we're gonna go with the other car. So I think I'm just gonna leave my hair like that. You look cute, baby. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, my Patrick sell something. I said you cute. I did say I did say you were cute. Okay. Patrick is getting the mail.
monsieur.
He's getting something there. No, nothing? Okay. Alright.
Where are you?
Oh.
Bah, je me fan faire nous.
Samedi, tu nous parles retourner pour dans mon là, oublier là là.
Watch out. Be careful.
Parle al.
Allez, hein?
Passa sur gazon.
Hein? Alright then. Il y a demain à faire, parce que demain après-midi, il y a pour sortir à mon travail. Demain après-midi.
What are you saying?
So demain matin pour le faire.
What are you saying?
Talking to my mom. Yep. Will.
Get the shop. Oh.
No, ante tu que tá bien, me tapando.
Hi, Nano, ¿cómo es?
Hi, muy bien, ma'am.
Sabes, mami, la tarde, va de coque.
Corre.
Bet dikit lah lap maje.
Os oiseaux. Outros oiseaux. We made it. The bag.
Not again.
I know.
Tu passes de l'eau. Tu bois de l'eau. Tu vas passer dans le dernier. I hope they have extra large.
If not just follow her back.
Oh, it's still dark.
Why is it like that?
I think it's even worse now.
Yeah.
You see me? You don't say anything. You don't say anything. The mall is empty. You know what? Let's go to Marshall instead. Hmm?
Who? Why? And why does it take days to call you back? Yeah. No.
Marshall it is.
Vous passez un jeune?
Yep.
Vous passez un jeune?
When the Marshall do get bought by.
Ok, on a fait là, on va chez un jeune. Ok, les gars.
Where?
Non, les paquets.
Alright then. Hey you.
Cancel Pride on iHeartRadio's Facebook and YouTube pages and on the Roku channel.
Quick.
It's Pride Month.
À la Chanty Liquor. No liquor store. Oh, I meant to zoom in. Finally, it's crossing. Machine pas balta. Hop. Machine pas balta pour traverser, non? Silly boy. There. Hurry up. Next door. Next door. Hello. He's coming out. So I think this is our last stop for today, guys. If I'm not mistaken. Stop. Oh my gosh. Seriously?
Walling. What you know about walling?
About Wally.
You know, whenever I get my bubble card, I'm happy, right?
And you didn't get me shit?
Because you got shit already.
Ou gen bagay la kay la tou?
Nope. That's for the weekend.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't got no weekend.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna have your weekend tomorrow night. I'm not sure right there, listen. I'm not going to you.
Bye. Finally home. Remember, guys, in the sortie depuis à 7h25?
The guy is here.
Look at the time now.
Okay, so I'll check it.
Why is it blurry? I don't know
It's
why
blurry?
it's blurry. I can't look. I can see the time. No, it's just the time that I was trying to show them. 2:40, 2:43. So yep, the other day I never even sync. Now it's 2:43, and I'm finally home.
Finally.
Thank you, Lord. Yep. Yeah. I can go home, enjoy the rest of the day, drink some alcohol.
Whoa!
We're doing good. Drink some alcohol and then eat. Okay? I'm in the mood.
Você lhe fez tanta fiada aí? Ele era caca de fiado de lá, mas não é fazer quando eu não vou fazer tanta fiada lá mesmo, não. Como você diz, ele Whoa! I didn't even know.
No, baby. I'm
going to go live over there. No, baby.
Okay. Hi. I got a lot of stuff here, you guys. Food. Food. Patrick, make sure you get bags. There's shopping bags at the back.
How many bags do we have?
I'll get you the bag. Here's the Marshall bag. Here's the Old Navy bag. And then your Grog bag. And then the split and getting back the vampire too. So yeah. Let's get out.
Huh? Kira kisa? Those are heavy too?
No.
Okay, then let's switch.
Eh?
Let's switch.
It's okay, I'm not heavy. I got the food, I got the plantain. Ai.
Já. Só puta vai fazer massa.
Okay guys, vamos fazer um vídeo lá, right? So, vamos comer lá. Stay there. Stay there. Vamos faire conclusion de là. Ou bien devant votre là?
Devant porte là, non?
Devant votre là, non?
Yeah. What's wrong with you? Hold up. Hold up. Yeah, why? I don't know you like that. Okay.
So yeah guys. So I think
To the door.
d'après ce que je mets cette vidéo aujourd'hui, vidéo demain ensemble. I think this one is just gonna be one video. So I don't have much to do tomorrow.
You ain't got jack at all. You ain't got jack to do tomorrow.
Other than girls' night tomorrow, which I'm excited about. Okay?
Yeah, Kazi might been very.
Hi. So yeah.
Okay, you done?
Yes, I'm done. Bye guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another video.
So you'll see them when you see them then.
Bye.
Alright?
Yep. Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Open the door.